You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this brand name? It's an interesting, there's an ongoing debate on whether it's Alo or Alo Yoga. Yoga, I assume you already knew. Well, the answer, let's hear it from a podcast on the brand's YouTube channel itself. Let's just listen carefully to this clip.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Mindful from the Alo Studios.
From the Alo Studios, because they're in the Alo Studios. But yeah, that's their own podcast and YouTube channel saying Alo. Yeah, not Alo. Alo Yoga. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.